Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Apple Journal and giving it permission to store entries. This ensures your notes sync across devices. Tap New Journal or pick an existing one, name it, and choose a mood or tag. This helps later search and organization. Once done, enable iCloud Sync so entries back up automatically and allow Siri if you plan voice entries. By starting with these settings, you avoid lost notes and get consistent metadata for every entry you create. Next, capture content. Tap New Entry and choose text, photo, or audio. You can pick a prompt to jumpstart writing or use a template for routines. Templates save repeated structure and speed entries. Make sure to tag each entry with clear keywords and add location or people when relevant, because tags and metadata let you filter later. Once you habitually tag and use templates, your journal becomes searchable and actionable instead of a pile of unfindable notes. To finish, regularly review entries in Today or Timeline views and use filtered tags to spot patterns. This turns raw notes into insights. When you need backups, export single entries as PDF or use the share sheet to copy text to Notes or another app. If something goes wrong, like missing entries or sync errors, first check iCloud status, network connection, and journal permissions, then force close the app and reopen. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Sync off and on to prompt a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.